Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to create Windows Server 2009 virtual machine. In last video we have uploaded the server ISO file for server 2019 and the Windows 10 ISO files. So once you show you how to create virtual machine for 2019 virtual machine, you should be okay to make a virtual machine for Windows 10 as well. Okay, so let's get it started. You need to right click on this ESXi host and click on new virtual machine. Create a new virtual machine. Do not click on it because we really don't have templates right now, because we really don't have virtual machine. Once we have the virtual machine, we would able to convert in the template, and after that we would able to deploy virtual machine from the template itself. Okay, so right now very first option what we have is create our new virtual machine. Next, 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 next. What we are going to choose is server 2016 or later, because we have server 2019. Say next. I'll make it dual core for this server. 4 GB, 2 GB should be fine, and the hard disk 30 GB should be fine. We would able to increase RAM, processor, CPU later on, depends on the requirement. Okay, but right now I'm taking this just 30 GB and 2 GB memory and the CPU. Okay, and we need to select ISO file here, data store ISO file. Click on data store, click on ISO files, and the Windows Server 2019. Click on OK. Say next. Wait, we need to check this box. Okay, say next. Finish. New virtual machine. Click on power on button. So this is our 6.7 vCenter. Okay, okay, I'll close this too. I have created earlier. Hit enter 2 times, and we will have the installation window. It takes around 5 minutes, depends on your hard disk. If you have HDD, it will take longer. If you have SSD, it will faster, like me. Faster like my computer, not me. Okay, and once we have virtual machine created and VDA install, virtual delivery controller install, okay, virtual delivery agent installed, we will convert this virtual machine into the template, and after that we will deploy the virtual machine from the template only. Okay, say next. I accept. Say next. Custom. Next. And we need to wait for another 5 minutes. Guys, please bear with me on this screen, because if something bad comes up on the screen, we need to fix it. Okay, so that's what I will not pause this video, and I'll keep watching myself as well. And if you have something on the screen, we will fix it right away. Let's say if you have the same error message on the screen, you would also able to fix it watching this. That's what I'm just not pausing this video, and we'll keep watching on it. Usually you really don't get any error message while installation. If you have some issue, if your ISO file have some issue in very startup, when the installation is start, right away that will gives you that error message that something is missing in ISO file. Maybe it is corrupted or something. So once it is started like getting files ready for installation, and it is about 100%, after that you really don't have to worry. It should be fine to complete the server installation. We are about to complete the installation. I think it's just 2 minutes which installation is taking. Yeah, another 1 minute I guess, and we should be fine. And once it is installed, we need to install a VMware tool on it to enable the network adapter and the display driver to the best performance, best optimization of the VMs. So really the VM tool is required to optimize the server or client virtual machine. I'll click restart now to make it a little faster. Reboot. Now server should challenge to enter the password, the new password. So I'll put my password, new password. You do yours. Same way you can install Windows 10, okay? But of course Windows 10 will have some setting you need to perform, but of course it is easy. The server rebooting second time. If this happening with you, also don't say if there is any issue with the OS, okay? It is process. Okay, we have a window where we can enter the password, set up the password. Now we are done. I will log in to this server and will install the VMware tool. Okay, did I forget the password? No. Now we are logged in. Now we really have VMware tool installed. Let me go there and see again. It should not be there. It should not be there, okay, because we really don't make any changes right now. It just fresh installed. Okay, we can see VMware tool is not installed in this on this virtual machine. We can click on new install VMware tool, or if you go to action and where it should be, okay, guest OS install VMware tool. If you don't see this option over here, okay, right below the VM information, you can go to guest OS and click on install VMware tools. Okay, mount, go to virtual machine, close this again, open it, click on this PC, right click, install.